Having trouble figuring out how to customize your video mockup templates? I know it can be tricky, but don't stress. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step to make it easy. And make sure you stay until the end, because I've got a time-saving secret you won't want to miss. Alright, let's dive right into editing this template. For this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize it step by step. First things first, let's start by opening up the template you've downloaded. Once that's done, the next step is to preview the video. To do this, go to the top menu, click on Window, and then select Timeline. This will pop up the video timeline, giving you a clear view of how the scenes are structured. Next, let's move on to swapping out the artwork with your own designs. Over in the Layers panel, you'll notice a group labeled Artwork. This group contains the smart object layers for each scene in the video. When you click the drop-down arrow, you'll see 3 layers labeled Scene 1, Scene 2, and Scene 3. These are the different scenes we'll be updating. Let's start with Scene 1. To upload your artwork, just double-click on the thumbnail, or if you prefer, right-click and select Edit Contents. This will open up a new window where you can import your design. For my example, I'm using this artwork right here. If your design doesn't fit perfectly in the frame, you can go ahead and adjust it, just like I'm doing here. Once you're happy with how it looks, simply click the check mark or press Enter. Now that the artwork has been added, don't forget to save your progress. Just go to File, click Save, and then close the window. As you can see, the artwork I've chosen has now been applied to Scene 1 in the video. We'll repeat the exact same process for Scene 2 and Scene 3. Simply double-click, import your design, adjust if necessary, and save. By following these steps, you'll have your artwork in place across all the scenes in no time. Now that everything looks great and you're happy with the final look, it's time to render the video. Head up to File, select Export, and then click on Render Video. Here, you can rename your file and choose where to save it. For my project, I'll keep the default settings, but feel free to customize it however you like. Once you've set everything up, click Render and let the video process. And just like that, you've mastered creating one video mockup with your artwork. But there's one important thing I left out earlier. What I showed you works perfectly if you're only making one video. But what happens when you need to make several at once? In the next video, I'll show you how to use the Bulk Mockup plugin to batch create videos in no time. This tool will completely streamline your workflow, so be sure to check it out.